IVM.
Hi everybody, just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative.
Yes, Cyrus says the only person smiling in Mumbai today is me, because after the lockdown has been sort of temporarily derailed, the world has come to a standstill again because there's too many people. It's unbelievable. Either we have no people or too many people. Nothing changes. But I want to just quickly rant before we introduce a very, very powerful musician to you for the next 1 hour. We may even get him to sing live. Costs a lot of money. I get it free. I'll explain that later. We had a couple of days back the IPL bid for team number 9 or team number 10 or both of the teams. I put my hat in the ring. I thought, basically need about 4,000 to 5,000 crores to make a bid and then go up from there. That's in my pocket. Went there. I went to Dubai. I made the bid. But the only thing is, they called us at 10 in the morning, 10 a.m. I was there 9:55. Nobody was there. I left at 10 past 10. Still nobody was there. I was told later that everybody came late. And because of that, ladies and gentlemen, I lost a chance to be an IPL team owner. I lost to someone as big as Sanjeev Goenka, who put in 7,000 odd crores. I had the same amount of money. I would have matched him neck to neck. It would have been like an IPL match in the last ball of the last over. But unfortunately, because Indians can't understand time, I just left. I couldn't take it anymore. I just walked out. 10 o'clock is 10 o'clock.
Do you wonder why China does the things that it does? Or want to know how we could improve online privacy? Or perhaps you're thinking about how we can kickstart India's economy? If you'd like to search for the answers to such questions, check out All Things Policy, a daily public policy podcast that covers everything from employment figures to aircraft carriers. Tune in from Monday to Friday for new episodes and fresh takes.
Now it's 10 o'clock or 10:01 and it's time to introduce our wonderful guest with a fabulous name. And by fabulous name, I don't mean Osho, I mean Jain, which is a name I grew up with. Every third person around me is a Jain of some sorts. But no, I pull your leg. Osho bhai, Osho ji, Osho sar. Not to be confused with Osho sir and Osho sar. See, my Hindi is so bad that when I saw sar, I first thought Punjabi for sir. Oh, sar. But it's not sar. It's sar. And let's, guys, yes, in fact, I'm going to ask Sylvie right at the top to show the poster. Osho is a fabulous musician. I'll give him a proper intro in a second. But his new album or his latest album or his first big album is called SAAR. If we can just take a look at a sort of, you'll be able to see the visual. There you go. That makes it easier to understand. The male model is obviously me. The young girl is obviously underage. But no, I'm kidding. This is not true at all. It's a beautiful poster. It's SAR. It's Osho Jain's contribution. We'll start right at the beginning. Osho is a very young man, as you can see from the screen if you're able to watch as well as hear this. But even his voice is young, so you'll be able to tell. And shall I read out? Will you like to read out what's written? Osho? Osho bhai?
No, it's very embarrassing.
Sharam kyun aate hai bhai? Yes, looks lovely. Lyrics that stimulate the senses. Go as close as you can on your own face. Let's see how you react. With lyrics that stimulate the senses, you never knew they were piercing and melancholic, yet how healing melodies. Wow, yaar. Osho Jain's eager and intuitive soul turns music into medicine. I added reverb. Writing and learning instruments since 12 years of age, Osho takes the most complex emotions and colorful chords and turns it into simple yet relatable music. A jack of all trades, Osho has written, composed, produced most of his releases till date. That is a total of 14 singles and an ER called Khush To Hai Na. Khush as in happy. Released in 2019, received immense love from around the world, and then the world came to an end because of pandemic. But what we did a little more research. You worked with bands for about 8 to 10 years. Acoustic was never your own style, but or your only style. But you did play with bands for 8 to 10 years. We'll start with that actually when I stop talking, which is halfway through the show. But today we're going to discuss most and get him to sing hopefully from bitingly expressive, soulful debut album. Ye soulful shab bahut hai isme. You're like that old crooner type of personality is coming through.
बहुत ही
The very soulful Mohammed Rafi numbers from the old days, something like that.
ये लिखने वाले लोग प्यार से लिख देते हैं ये सारी चीजें म्यूजिक सुन
मैं सोचा कि खुद तो लिखता है ये सब कुछ, because I mean who the hell has the time? No, I'm just kidding. SAR. Okay, let's start with SAR first. It's your debut album, but of course you've been promoting lots of music. Uske pehla with your debut album. Okay, SAR actually means
summary or gist.
Gist. Okay, summary. So let's just get that clear for urban Indians whose Hindi is as bad as mine. सार का मतलब सर नहीं है, सार का मतलब सर नहीं है, सार का मतलब और कुछ नहीं है, सार का मतलब है the summary or in short or gist, as you said. So just tell us why you wrote about this exactly, Osho. It seems very a little bit melancholic, the words that are used there, as well as philosophical. Summary of love, summary of life.
No, so actually, I started, writing music at a very early age when I was in 8th, 9th standard, I think. I started writing Hindi songs and stuff. And then
मतलब independent original Hindi songs, you rewrote Hindi songs like I did.
I did that as well, but
Yeah,
I wrote like,
you have the tune in your head and you write your own lyrics. I used to do that for fun.
yeah, I used to write funny lyrics as well on the existing songs. That was so
Correct.
much fun. I think that's the practice, like that's the basic practice for songwriters. I think everybody does.
Yeah.
But
And sometimes, sorry. go on.
so I started writing it, but then I started learning guitars. तो मैंने सोचा कि okay, मैंने सोचा चलिए ठीक है, let's compose this song. But उस टाइम पता नहीं होता था कि करना क्या है. Like somebody who writes his own songs and composes it, sings it, तो अब करना क्या है? Like there was no platform to release it. Only YouTube was there. So I did nothing. I was like, okay, let's keep doing this. And then I figured कि Indian music industry में इसको music composer कहते हैं, कि जो गाने compose कर रहा है. इतना मुझे समझ में आया. I was in 9th standard. Singer songwriter वाला term तो I didn't even know कि ये कुछ.
Now you confuse me, Osho. इसके समझ में नहीं आते. You're saying, so you're a songwriter, but songwriter is a composer. What's the difference anyway?
So composer like not necessarily writes the song. A lyricist does that. So composer composes the melody. जो अपना धुन है वो composer बनाएगा.
Lennon McCartney. I get it. They write together. One will write lyrics, one will write the song. Yeah.
Yeah. So but then I figured कि यार ये कुछ term होती है और मैं तो ये हूँ शायद. हम समझ में नहीं आता था कि कैसे रिलीज करें, तो उस वहां से
ये पागल की जैसा कॉन्वर्सेशन है. You're talking to yourself. I'm just thinking. It sounds like guy's already nuts. हाँ, go on.
तो एकदम बचपन से वो वहां से लेके फिर बैंड्स के साथ काम करके एंड फाइनली आई रीच द पॉइंट जहां पे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा खुद से कि आई स्टार्टेड प्रोड्यूसिंग म्यूजिक थ्रू फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टफ. तो देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि नाउ आफ्टर रिलीजिंग 15-20 songs I will release like an album which is something कि जो मैंने तब से अब तक सीखा है. So it's like a summary of all the things that I've learned in life and in music and everything.
Life's lessons by Osho.
I'm too young to like put out a summary of things right now, but still I feel कि अभी तक का जो एक सीखा है उसको let's put it aside and now I'll start a new journey. So it's like a sar of everything that I've learned till now. Something like that.
Too young to have sexual relations, too young to have alcohol, too young to go to parties and ships and indulge in other narcotics and that. Too young, yes. But too young for philosophy and for looking back at your life, no. There's no such rule. But obviously what they say, some people have a old wise head on a young, shoulders. So maybe that's you. You can't escape that karma. Maybe that's how you've been from the beginning. Is it fair to say this,
Yes.
Sergi, or is it too much?
नहीं एकदम सच है ये. मुझे लगता है कि मैं 50s में क्यों नहीं हूँ वहाँ.
Exactly. लोग बहुत सोचते हैं कि जो फिजिकल बॉडी है और फिजिकल उम्र जो है वो कुछ नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से. द स्पिरिट हैज अनदर सॉर्ट ऑफ ग्राफ और बॉडी का एक और ग्राफ है. वो अलग अलग हो सकते हैं, कभी सेम है, कभी क्लोज है और कभी कंप्लीटली अलग है. Am I right?
True.
I also, without your talent, I have the same feeling. Why wasn't I born 50s and 60s? Flower child, easier going, nicer lyrics, both in Hindi songs and in Western songs. Everything was softer, nicer, happier, lyrical, musical, melodious, and the world seemed to be less aggressive. Of course, there are people who say that this is the least aggressive.
Yeah, and it was pure. It was not like people are not running like this like madly. People are relaxed. Like एक album बनता था साल भर में, तो आराम से होता था ना सब. क्या अभी सब ऐसे पागल हो गए.
वो एल्बम का प्रोसेस भी रिफ्लेक्शन है लाइफ की सिचुएशन में, बिकॉज यू आर मिररिंग व्हाट द वर्ल्ड इज. आई थिंक वी जस्ट गॉन फास्टर and maybe in that the soul is gone, which you're I think bringing back his soul, trying to just be quality, just introspect, think about things.
That's why soulful in the introduction.
4 बार आ गया बेटा, 4 बार आ गया.
अरे लोगों के म्यूजिक में एक बार भी नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा एटलीस्ट लेट्स बॉम्बार्ड पीपल विद इट.
Angrezi criticisms mein, or not criticism, Angrezi explanations mein, there are 4 or 5 words for music they keep using again and again. Soulful, melancholic. You'll start getting used to it as a musician. 4-5 बार आ गया तो अगर नहीं आया तो you'll start worrying why the hell are they using my words? So very interesting, young man with this wise sort of head, and so that's what Sar is. Let's now go back a little bit, Osho bhai, and let's talk about the elephant in the room, या हाथी कमरे में जो लेट गया और बैठ गया, and that is the name. How were you given this name, Osho?
I think my bua used to read Osho, and उस टाइम ऐसा हुआ कि my father is an astrologer, तो उन लोगों को ऐसा जो भी फील हुआ कि इसका नाम ओशो रख देते हैं, सही रहेगा. तो उन्होंने
There's a famous astrologer with a Jain surname who's in one of the papers. यार कौन है? So are you happy with this name, because it's always a good start for conversation?
Yeah, I love it. Like some people are, I don't know, थोड़ा ऑफ हो जाते हैं नाम सुन के कि
क्यों?
ओशो क्यों है आपका नाम, ओशो तो एक ही है. मैंने बोला यार
ओ अच्छा.
हाँ ओशो तो एक ही है. मैं बोलता हूँ नहीं मेरा कंपटीशन है, मैं उनसे मुझे भी 100 रोल्स रॉयस चाहिए.
99 batting. Sorry to say, sir, 100 complete नहीं हुआ. But you're right. You could be the guy. You're the continuation of Osho. Let's put it that way. So 99 से 100 आ गया.
Yeah, I love him. I love his work. I love his books and everything. So
you're a follower as well, obviously, because of the name you started reading and stuff.
I've played at Osho Ashram as well in
क्या
Pune.
बात है?
I've played a crazy gig, like one of the most amazing gigs of my life. It was mad.
Tell us about it.
So it was Monsoon Festival. They do it every year, and many musicians go and play there. So I had a band called Aakh Micholi. So we went to play that festival. Like it was raining and people were dancing like crazy. Like इतना responsive crowd मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं. मतलब madness.
Dekha, authorities, without any outside, substances, people can still have a good time.
Yeah.
बारिश की वजह से. हाँ.
Yeah. But it was amazing.
And you got a great response. Only international audience है ना? Mixed audience होगा.
Mix. और आधे लोगों को समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था क्योंकि we were singing in Hindi. But it was like the music was up tempo and they were enjoying it. They were having so much fun. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि like I was dancing like full time while singing. So it was that mad.
When you're playing in Osho Ashram and your name is Osho, they take it as a joke or something, or they what's the reaction of those hardcore devotees?
No, so they think कि I have kept this name. Because they also do this, na, ki Bhakti Osho Khandelwal.
Okay, so they, Ma Anand Sheela, whatever, you take the name, right?
Yeah, so they think कि इसने रख लिया है, ये इतना बड़ा follower है कि इसने ओशो नाम रख लिया है. So वहाँ कोई offend नहीं हुआ, but बहुत सही था. But when I told them, जो लोग ने organize किया, when I told them कि my actual name is Osho, they were very excited about it कि कैसे, किसने रखा, क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ.
Wow. It's interesting. I didn't think about it being disrespectful to original to keep the name. I didn't think of it from that point of view. But yeah, other than that, it's a very interesting name. I'm sure all your life you're going to get that, and no one will ever forget you. That's for sure, right? Osho बाकी का जो Raju Rohit.
I got my stage name since my birth.
Exactly. No, I'm just thinking the worst is to have a common name. You always thinking Rohan or Rohit. क्या था उसका नाम? But Osho, 1 in a million. You're safe. No one's going to say Osho ne Arvind.
Same with you, I think.
No, but my name in Parsis is common. It's just that Parsis are less.
No, but आपका नाम कोई भी पूरा ही बोलता होगा. Cyrus Brocha. कोई भी.
नहीं, Cyrus पूरा नाम है Cyrus Chutia Brocha. वो पूरा नाम है. That very few say. That's only in the passport. I can show it to you, yaar. No. Trust me, Osho is a far more, sort of name that sticks out than my name. My name only sticks out because Parsis are less. Trust me, if you go to a Bagh, there'll be 20 Cyruses. And I cannot think anywhere, including the ashram, where we will find more Oshos.
Yeah,
Osho devotees for sure. Chalo, let's go back to the beginning then. So we were a normal. So you said you got into music and you started playing in a band, doing rock music. So a bit like Parikrama sort of band with 5-6 guys, long hair, playing Hindi rock. Is that how it started?
So the first band started in 10th standard, okay, when I was in 10th standard. And it was called Music.
Board exam ke samay pe? How dare you?
अरे बहुत funny है. Boards के पहले I was playing a gig. So it was very funny. So the band was called Music Casters. Okay. So it was created by a teacher. And he told me, okay, now you can play rhythm guitars and do backing vocals in the band. I was like crazy excited कि चलो let's do it, बहुत मजा आएगा. And we used to do Hindi Bollywood covers at that point of time. Those old songs,
but natural.
Yeah, Ashaएं and like all those motivational songs, "Eh Khuda Mujhko Bata." So that was the time, like in the 10th 11th standard. और फिर हम Coke Studio cover करने लगे, things like that. But then it all stopped because I was always like, okay, I want to write a song. This is great, but I want to write a song. Let's write a song. Let's write a song.
But you were backup vocals. उसमें you were rhythm guitar and backup vocals. You didn't
Yeah.
sing lead vocal.
No.
वो जो lead vocalist जो है, what happened to him?
Right now they are doing jobs like one is an architect, one is I think an engineer.
Sorry, I didn't mean to offend anyone. I'm sure they're doing well. But how sad.
Yeah, they are doing great.
You're the only guy who
But
stayed in music.
Me and my drummer. So we are playing तब से 10th 11th class से. हम बच्चे थे तब से हम अब तक साथ में play कर रहे हैं. So we stick to it. So
Wow.
then we created a band, another band with a very interesting name. It's a very funny name. Like now I find it very funny. It was called Hypnotica.
Hypnotica.
उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, मतलब उस क्यों रखा था.
वेग मतलब तो है, hypnosis से शब्द आ गया तो वेग मतलब तो है. You've been creative. I like it. It's catchy. Hypnotica.
It's catchy. We had a very cool logo as well, and then we started doing original music. तो वहां से फिर full heavy like rock.
So you went from Hindi covers of 70s and 80s and 90s maybe, and then you went straight into writing your own music, which was initially rock and then went more into the soul.
It was all rock and folk.
Can you sing a little bit for us?
Yeah, so उस वक्त का कुछ
उस टाइम का.
हाँ तो पहले Hypnotica का बताता हूँ. Then I'll come to Aankh Mein Choli. I'll sing something from that, and then I'll come to now. So Hypnotica का जो टाइम था, so we wrote a song called Ravan. So उसका जो कोरस था वो था राम अनेको आए गए, राम अनेको आए गए, रावण बस जला है मरा नहीं, रावण बस जला है मरा नहीं. इस तरीके का कुछ था. It was.
This is the Hypnotica time.
Yeah.
This almost sounds like Hindustani classical or something, going towards a more folk music sort of style.
Yeah, but the music was like it was like full.
Ravan is moving all 10 heads.
Yeah.
Whatever. Super.
So the lyrics were really interesting. So Ram अनेको आए गए, बहुत सारे राम हर एरा में they keep coming and going. रावण बस जला है, वो जला है मरा नहीं. Like he keeps coming back. So it's like that.
That's a dangerous concept though in present situation in India. Very clearly he dies. अब वो फेस्टिवल बंद हो जाएगा. Be very careful. Yeah.
मैं बंद हो जाऊंगा.
हाँ वही बात है. But it's amazing. You're a teenager when you're writing these kind of lyrics, which are almost, I would say, politically incorrect, but slightly flexible opinions. Philosophical opinion, actually. I don't think you mean to promote or demote anybody in an epic. You're just being philosophical about the fact that the virtues continue, I suppose, whether the person is burnt or not, or the lack of virtues. But you are how old?
I am 26 right now.
No, tab. When you wrote this song, you were?
It was 2014.
I'm an old man. यार अभी कहाँ से मिलेगा calculator?
19 years old. 19.
So what I'm saying is not a typical 19-year-old mindset. It's already far more mature, I would think, than what a 19-year-old would play. Even if the rhythm guitar in that band is very, dinchak in the background. Then you were telling us, you should give us an example of the old, the first band where you were basically.
Yeah, so that was Music Casters. ये Hypnotica हुआ. At this point, I was playing bass with the band and I was the lead vocal.
Isn't that very difficult? I'm told bass and singing at the same time.
Yeah, it is difficult, but हुआ ये ना क्या होता है? Like most of the bass players are accidental bass players. They start playing guitars only, and then in the band they don't have a bass player, and people are like, okay, तू bass play कर ले यार. And then that's how you start.
Because egotistical lead guitarist, उसका position तो monopolize हो गया for life, right? There's no question of him offering it for Saturday. आप ले लो यार, नहीं. So, but let's go back to the first band. So, where your influence is not so much, because you're just playing the rhythm guitars and you're somewhat singing in the background. You're not composing, and they're mostly doing covers.
We did nothing. We played school gigs and some sports festival and marathon and all those things.
But covers, not too much original, right?
Not original. There was one song, School Life. That also I didn't write. It was already their song. मेरे आने के पहले से.
It's like a anthem of the school, which
Yeah,
traditionally was there. ठीक है.
yeah, yeah.
Then let's go on now to where we are, which is how your music has evolved. You were 19. We had that song, the Ram Ravan song. Now you go to present day Star, I think.
Now we go to Aankh Micholi. This Aankh Micholi is
Okay.
another band. I shifted to Mumbai in 2015, and I was studying in True School of Music, एक music school है.
Correct. परेल में है ना?
हाँ, अभी it has shifted, but हाँ परेल में था.
हाँ.
So वहाँ we formed a band with the same drummer जो मेरे साथ तब से play कर रहा है. So both of us came to Mumbai and we formed a band called Aankh Micholi. उसका एक album is released, a couple of songs are released. वहाँ पे थोड़ा फन, बहुत ज्यादा फन की तरफ हम लोग शिफ्ट हुए. So there was this song called बबलू की शादी,
Nice.
and दर्द and बिंदिया तोरी, like very fun stuff. So बबलू की शादी कुछ ऐसा था कि 24 का छोरा डॉक्टर इंजीनियर है, he is not on Tinder, मैरिज मटेरियल है. अरे 24 का छोरा जिसका विजन क्लियर है, he is very single, मैरिज मटेरियल है. अरे बोला रिश्तेदारों ने फंसाया परिवार ने, बोला रिश्तेदारों ने फंसाया परिवार ने, शादी के जाल में जो फंस गया वो बबलू है.
It's got like a musical style.
वो बबलू है.
जो stage musical का जैसा style है. Is it?
Yeah. But लेकिन it was like all heavy only. It was all heavy.
But the lyrics are
But
hip.
lyric writing was,
So you've gone through a lot of different styles already, and you were in your early 20s. उसके बाद, so we've come to this point, and then this is live performances you were doing, with
all the college festivals and stuff.
So this is the kind of music I have no idea, boss. I've not been to college for 25 years. जब गया भी तो मेरे ख्याल से I was not paying attention. So is this the kind of music that? So what do they like? What do the college kids like now when you come as an indie band playing its own music? I mean, you need lyrics like marriage material है and all. I'm just thinking.
Yeah, they were like we had. हमारा बहुत ही crazy graph था. एक तरफ हमारा गाना था एक सच्चाई कभी तू नजर तो आ रे, तो इट वाज लाइक दैट. एंड बबलू की शादी भी था, और एक जीवन का पहिया, लाइक बहुत फिलोसॉफी.
बट एक परफॉर्मेंस में ये सारे गाने पेश करते हैं, या you're just saying you can do different styles? एक परफॉर्मेंस में ये सब कुछ होते हैं, या just I'm just trying to understand what the college kids are listening to.
Yeah, they are listening to everything यार. They are really supportive. और अभी तो they are streaming as well. मतलब अगर उन्हें पसंद आ जाता है.
नहीं तो बबलू की शादी से सच की फिलोसफी तक पहुंच गया तो everybody likes it, or you have to stay with the बबलू? I'm saying
no, they listen to everything. They are मतलब हो सकता है सच्चाई ज्यादा सुने वो, कुछ लोग बबलू ज्यादा सुने, तो या मतलब बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग ऑडियंस है अभी. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मतलब पहले मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार लोग सुनते नहीं है, क्या हो रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है. बट व्हेन योर म्यूजिक रीचेस देम, people are there to listen. The most difficult part is to make sure your music reaches them.
That's what, because when we were growing up, I remember the poor band will have to start playing covers sooner or later. Even a Parikrama would come and have to sing at least, I mean, and they refused to, and they would, get heckled a little bit in Mumbai. So if you didn't play the covers, the crowd would start going berserk and Gali Galo Chalu. I don't know if they still have the famous song that the crowd used to sing, which is "Start the fucking music." If they didn't like the song and all that, over the music they would shout.
नहीं अभी तो ये
very badly behaved.
अभी तो ये सब नहीं है.
अभी तमीज से करते हैं काम ये लोग. कहाँ से आते हैं?
अभी बहुत
Mumbai was bad, Delhi was worse. I mean, it was many musicians were scarred. Yeah, they're on therapy after that for life. But so interesting.
नहीं तो ऐसा मतलब करने दिया भी नहीं मैंने कभी. So I was really crazy on stage. I was very like with these bands. I was very mad.
नहीं, but ये सारे lyrics that we just, whether it's बबलू की शादी या marriage material है, whether it's सच्चाई, all these are your lyrics, or there's a group of people writing? How does it work? All you?
So we used to jam, but I used to write. Like people used to, like, if there is a riff playing, we were playing it for like an hour or 2 or 3, and I was continuously writing, and we were jamming about the ideas, and I was the only one writing them.
Oh, sure. We don't have much budget, but I want to get one song done for our show. Cyrus says theme song, theme music जैसा, जो beginning में या end में पेश करते हैं. I like your thinking, because there's a vibrancy, and yet there's a wisdom which is very rare to get together in the same song. Sometimes your style will be one thing but your words will be one thing, or vice versa, which is very interesting, which I thought will be very good for our show, which I believe is, it's like Premchand being reborn on a podcast. It's that good. Okay, stop laughing here, don't be rude.
Premchand
think
is a
about it.
very, very big name. But okay, yes, let's do it. I'm up for it.
You're feeling the pressure. मैं अपने आप पे दिलवाया प्रेमचंद का शो.
नहीं, आपने प्रेमचंद बोल दिया और प्रेमचंद को पढ़ के लिखना सीखा है मैंने, तो मैं चुप हो गया एकदम से.
I believe his granddaughter or his daughter works somewhere in Mumbai. We should try and get her on the show. It'll be very interesting to hear about him. आप भी आ जाओ सर. Our show is so informal. People can walk in and walk out. Walk out तो बहुत होते हैं. I'm surprised you're still there. Let's get back to. I just want to compliment you. So it's very interesting for a second to understand that at such a young age, there's all these different thoughts, and you never force yourself. It's not like you're forced. सोमवार उठ जाता है सुबह and सोचते हैं कि मैं आज philosopher बन जाऊंगा. It's not like that. You've just basically just gone with the whatever it is, and but in that it seems that it's very clear that you've always got something to say. And it doesn't have to match the music style sometimes, and and I'm surprised that the audiences also, as you say, college audiences are much more open and flexible than we think. Of course, it's because they know you are to some extent and all, and your power on stage. But it's very interesting how maybe they're just better audiences than what we grew up with. Let's go to Sahar now for a second. Take us to how you do a full album. I mean, it can't be a simple process, How does it happen?
Yeah, so I'll tell you now about my singer-songwriter, like my journey as a singer-songwriter. So when all of these things were happening, I was playing with bands. I was writing my own songs as well. And I thought कि ये वाले गाने, they'll stay with me. ये तो release नहीं करूँगा. Because they are very personal. They are very...
Personal.
ये तो मतलब मेरे लिए ही हैं, मुझे पता नहीं है इसका क्या करना है. So I was writing them.
मेरा fantasies वैसा ही है. हाँ, sorry, but not the same. Carry on.
तो उसके बाद I kept writing them, and then in 2019, मतलब उसके पहले भी मैंने साल में एक गाना रिलीज कर दिया ऐसे ही बस. तो ऐसे 3-4 गाने रिलीज थे. But in 2019 I decided कि now I'll follow a certain discipline. And I'll release one song every 2 months or every month. ऐसे. So in 2019, I released 6-7 songs, singles, like back to back with, I made videos of like most of them. And then I released my debut EP. So like I released 5 songs का full EP. अब हुआ ये कि उसके बाद मतलब मैं बहुत ही उसको short में बता रहा हूँ. I kept releasing lockdown के दौरान भी I kept releasing more songs. But कुछ गाने ऐसे होते हैं कि जो रह जाते हैं. तो 2-3 ऐसे गाने थे कि वो रिलीज नहीं हुए. ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड 2-3 न्यू सॉन्ग्स. तो ऐसे 4-5 गानों का कलेक्शन हो गया था. सो आई थॉट कि ओके, लेट्स रिलीज एन एल्बम नाउ. आई थिंक एल्बम इज अ मोर सीरियस एफर्ट टुवर्ड्स लाइक पुटिंग म्यूजिक आउट देयर, बिकॉज सिंगल्स रिलीज करना इज कंपैरेटिवली इजियर. बट व्हेन यू आर रिलीजिंग 9 सॉन्ग्स, इट्स लाइक यू डोंट हैव अ like you have to have a vision. क्योंकि एक पॉइंट के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ खराब सुनाई दे रहा है, या एक पॉइंट के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि क्या करना है यार, मैं सही कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये एल्बम लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है. एंड आई वाज डूइंग एवरीथिंग, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स बाय माय ओन, फ्रॉम राइटिंग टू रिकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोड्यूसिंग. आई वाज देयर फॉर द मिक्सिंग सेशंस एज वेल, ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ देम, फॉर मास्टरिंग सेशंस एज वेल. सो इतने आप 20,000 बार गाना अगर एक सुन लोगे तो उसके बाद आप चेंजेस क्या बताओगे? यू आर लाइक ओके, हाँ ठीक है, हाँ ठीक नहीं है. So it was a very, very intense process. It was very difficult as well. But
beautiful philosophy.
I never had so much fun.
Can I borrow it, this philosophy of yours? Because I think for children it's the same philosophy. Because अब 15-20 साल के बाद you can't do anything about the child. You've tried your best. Just like you heard the song again and again. You have to have a give up point. Give up point, तो I think in every business there's a give up point. Give up point आ गया तो you have to just put your hands up and say बस हो गया. But the interesting
नहीं तो पता है एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप एक गाना या एक फिल्म जिंदगी भर भी बना सकते हो ना, कि आप बनाते रहो उसको, वो तो खत्म ही नहीं होगा, हमेशा बेटर होता रहेगा, तो चलते रहेगा. तो वो एक पॉइंट पे स्टॉप, तो यू हैव टू स्टॉप एट वन पॉइंट.
सर मैं अभी डब किया एक एड फिल्म के लिए, अभी डबिंग किया है, एंड आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि एवरीबॉडी हैज एन ओपिनियन फॉर one लाइन, छोटी लाइन, आई मीन वन. आई थिंक इट्स इजियर व्हेन इट्स लॉट्स, दे गिव अप फास्टर. व्हेन इट्स वन लाइन एवरीवन हैज ओपिनियन कि ये नहीं किया, वैसे स्ट्रेस नहीं हुआ, उसका एक्सप्रेशन नहीं आया. बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट, आफ्टर सम टाइम यू जस्ट it's like vomit. How can you do it, yaar? Don't you? Yeah. In that sense,
और उन्हें पसंद वो पहली बार जो किया होगा ना, जो आपने पहली बार किया होगा, आखिरी में पसंद वो आ जाता है.
Absolutely. That's the joke of the whole thing, yaar. Do you do jingles and all?
There's one very funny story I want to tell you.
Please tell us.
So I was playing in Hard Rock Cafe Mumbai, and sound check बहुत late था. So the band is there, but the sound is not there. We are on stage, like the sound is not on. They've set up everything, but चालू नहीं है कुछ भी. And we are on the stage, हम लोग ऐसे ही chill कर रहे हैं, सब चल रहा है. और एक बंदा आता है, and he's like 15 मिनट है साउंड चेक के. तो मैंने बोला 15 मिनट कैसे हैं साउंड चेक के यार, साउंड ही नहीं है तो साउंड चेक करें कैसे. तो वो बोलता है कि ठीक है मैं साउंड चालू करवाता हूँ. बहुत एंथुसियास्टिक लोग जो होते हैं ना, जो कॉलेज फेस्टिवल्स में होते हैं, जो ऐसे वेन्यूज होते हैं, हाँ मैं करवा रहा हूँ, आई एम डूइंग इट. तो वो गया, उसने कुछ किया, 5-10 मिनट हो गए, फिर वापस आया. मैंने बोला अभी भी नहीं है साउंड. फिर गया, उसने चालू करवा दिया. मैंने बोला अब हमें लगेंगे एटलीस्ट 20 to 25 मिनट्स, एटलीस्ट जब हम जल्दी करेंगे तो भी. Every 5 minutes he keeps coming कि हुआ क्या, हो गया
ready.
ठीक है. This was happening. Okay, he was really like I was really annoyed. I was like, तुझे हमें शो करवाना है कि नहीं करवाना है, मैं जा रहा हूँ. तुझे अगर करना है तो मुझे अब 15 मिनट तक आना मत. तो he was like, okay, ठीक है, sorry, मैं नहीं आऊंगा. Okay, done. ठीक है. This happened. शो अच्छा हुआ, सब हो गया. उसके 2 साल, 1.5 years later, I entered a recording studio. I was doing this ad film for a brand. I don't want to name them. I was doing it and I entered a studio and this guy was the head of that brand. उसके आने के पहले मैंने सारा डबिंग कर लिया है. And another जो दूसरी बंदी थी, she approved everything. And now this guy is like, चलो वापस करते हैं. पूरा.
Start from zero.
Yeah.
क्लाइंट का पैसा है.
उसने मैंने इतना कभी किसी सेशन में गाया ही नहीं. For 4.5 hours I was recording.
Out of खुन्नस.
यार
खुन्नस एंड 50% आई थिंक. सी लोग क्यों आते हैं स्टूडियो के अंदर? समटाइम्स दे हैव टू वैलिडेट कि मैं कौन हूं, मैं क्या करता है यहाँ पे. दे आर नॉट द सिंगर, दे आर नॉट द इंजीनियर, दे आर नॉट द क्रिएटिव, दे आर नॉट द राइटर. तो उसका क्या काम है? इवन द राजू इज गिविंग यू द कॉफी एंड टी, ही इज at least he's got a job. बाकी 3-4 लोग, even yesterday there are 3-4 people who honestly they don't have anything to do there. They are just giving their thoughts. बस ये thoughts है तो मैं किसी stranger को भी ला सकते हैं ना माहौल से. I just call some guy, Bunty come here, Bunty listen. Bunty will get the same feedback.
Bunty बता दो.
Exactly.
Bunty सब बता देगा.
Someone has to change this, boss. Please, Osho, you're in the business. Tell them, यार. जिनके पास काम है आप बैठ जाओ. जिनके पास काम नहीं, fuck off. It should be written there on the top there clearly.
आजकल पता है क्या करने लगे हैं? आजकल बोलते हैं कि आप रिकॉर्डिंग करो तो हमें Zoom पे ले लो. मैं बोलता हूँ मैं Zoom पे तुम
like that. They're watching. It's that's the way, yaar. It's like Big Boss. They're watching you.
Yeah, they're very stupid, yaar. They're very stupid. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बोलेंगे कि anthem बनाना है. Anthem, okay, let's create an anthem. And then they'll be like, they don't know music, okay? They don't know music at all. And somebody will say, क्या आप राग यमन में बना सकते हो क्या? तो मैं बोलता हूँ राग यमन में, आपको पता है क्या राग यमन? हाँ हमने सुना है कि उसमें एंथम अच्छे बनते हैं. मैं ऐसे सर पीट लेता हूँ. मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ कि फिर मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं कुछ भी बनाता हूँ, बोलता हूँ ये राग यमन में. तो बोलते हैं हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आपका स्पेशलिटी है राग, नॉट यमन. Stop giving us the rags. But that what you mentioned just now, इतनी funny story है, because they keep a small what do you call it, फोन का स्क्रीन पे इन लोगों का faces है उस पे, and everybody's paying more attention to that screen than to our shot. Everybody's ध्यान उस पे है. And 20 faces are coming and looking into that small telephone which is being held by one stand like that, you know. And then for the feedback, oh God, what is the world come to? Osho Jain, तूने क्या किया यार? How do you allow all this to happen?
मैं क्या करूं यार?
Next album you just make fun of. Yeah, you go after the television, film, advertising industry and how the people who don't have any function work. It is like this. गोसावी जो आर्यन खान को पकड़ा, पता नहीं वो कहाँ से आ गया, एनसीबी में काम नहीं करता है, पुलिस का कुछ उसका कोई पोर्टफोलियो नहीं है, वो कौन है, मलेशिया से आ गया, हाउस डिटेक्टिव. इसका मतलब क्या है? How can you come and just catch somebody as a stranger? This is the same guy who's sometimes in the studio. Nobody knows who he is. What is he doing there? He has no work.
कुछ भी उसका काम ही है ये लोगों को चेंजेस बताना.
हाँ बस. और वो भी क्लियर चेंजेस भी नहीं, हल्का बनेगा. तो हल्का ना, हियर द वर्ड हल्का, आई नो इट्स वेस्टिंग माय टाइम. हल्का विल बी फॉलोड बाय एब्सोल्यूट क्रैप. यस और नो, है कि नहीं?
हाँ, ये
हल्का से
थोड़ा सा बेटर हो सकता है. हल्का सा इमोशन और हल्का सा फनी और
What does that mean, yaar? They don't even realize how stupid they sound after some time. But please, somebody tell them, stop it, yaar. ये हल्का से ऊपर, हल्का से नीचे, yeah, वहाँ, please. So we have to take a break. You are talking too much.
कभी कभी मेरा मन करता है उनको बोलता हूँ सर आप आ जाओ,
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है सर आप आ जाओ,
I think so.
गा दो.
हाँ, मैं सुनता हूँ. Sir, आप बताओ. Yeah, I think so. Really. But they do it also, huh? They actually act it out also. No, I'm not saying director. I'm saying the 3-4 flunkies who are standing there. They act it out also sometimes. Maybe they'll not
अच्छा.
sing it because Rag Yaman Waman nahi
हाँ.
hoga. After लगाएंगे one great word, he has no backup after that now.
Yeah.
It's like saying, देखो, I know German. जो बोलो German में कुछ बोलो. I know German. That's it. Chalo, I know break. Let's call Silver Ian. Osho Jain is with us. His album is called Sar. We'll talk a little bit more when we come back after this 4-second break. Break का मतलब है there's no break. Hi, Silvery.
We do have a break.
We do have a break. Oh, we have a break. Slay Coffee. They say take too many wrong turns in life and you might end up at the graveyard. By they, I mean Slay Coffee, India's best coffee experience. And by the wrong turn and graveyard, I mean the Slay X Coffee blend of coffees. The Slay X blend of coffees. Have you ever heard the phrase, you don't choose your coffee chooses you? You don't choose your coffee chooses you. See, I like strong things. I like strong opinions. I like strong musicians like Osho, strong muscles. I'm supposed to do this, but you can't say anything. So when I found out that Slay has the Slay X blend of coffees, which is India's strongest coffee, I had to have it. Now the question was, which should I get? The wrong turn or the graveyard? The wrong turn or the graveyard, the wrong turn or the graveyard. Which one? Sounds like two wrestlers about to get into the ring together. Wrong turn in the blue corner and graveyard in the red corner. Folks, in the end, I went with the graveyard coffee because after all, people die to get to the graveyard. Here I get the graveyard at home. Get it? Look at my fabulous jokes. Kya baat hai? And the graveyard was delicious. Next up, I'll take the wrong turn and I'll tell you all about that as well. So what are you waiting for, guys? Order on Swiggy and Zomato as soon as you can. Use code MYSLAY to get 50% off. That's MYSLAY to get 50% off on your Slay coffee. Oshoji, 50% off, huh? If you use MySlay for 50%. MYSLAY. Slay Coffee, India's best coffee experience. This is lack of professionalism, and I blame it on those three, the Amar Akbar Anthony, who stand at the back and just give directions. वो छोटे-छोटे आवाज कर. They never say loudly. They never tell you in the middle of the take. After they quietly start whispering, but the sound catches. As you know, the sound is on. You must be having the same experience. So एक बंदा दूसरा बंदा को बोलता है, very good, मगर हल्का सा I felt कि एक शब्द could have been little more expressive. There are 4 words. There are four words. I mean, how much more expressive? What can you do with 4 words, yaar? Call Amitabh Bachchan. Let him try. I'll wait outside. Yeah. It's ridiculous, yaar. Yeah, I'm glad we bonded on that, Osho bhai. I don't know how many generations are going to suffer this nonsense, yaar. And I honestly feel they should just give it to you. For example, you're a proper professional musician. Ye hai job, ye hai kaam, and you should just be uploading it when it's ready. That's it, right? Done. We'll change the world, Osho Jain. We'll change the world, starting with the album Sar. That's how we'll change the world. Before we go into AMAs and maybe get him to sing as we exit the show, Beta Silvery, yes. Do you have any questions?
Yeah. Osho, I think you already talked a little bit about how you do your collaboration for ads, like with brands. I've seen some of your work that you do with brands, and it's always very well thought out. Like it's like you actually make songs for them. And you write songs that seem pertaining to the brand. Like, how do you come up with these brand solutions, if I can ask?
How do you keep the art and the commerce going is what you're saying?
Yeah, exactly. Yes, it's a good way to put it. Thank you.
Yeah. So lately, I've been lucky because brands, like many brands, got in touch with me for what I do.
Wow.
What kind of music I want to create. So they were
Thank God.
Yeah. So things are changing a little bit. So they were like, okay, create a song. We have this brief. आप ऐसा गाना बनाओ जो आप रिलीज कर पाओ. So that was something which is really nice. And then I was like, okay, this is great. तो वहां पर ऐसा हुआ कि I created one of those songs for Lodha group, this construction wala group. I did a Diwali wala.
Always pronounce it correctly. Pronounce it correctly, Osho. Huh?
So
sorry, go on.
I did this Diwali का song last year and they loved it. और वहां से फिर ये collaborations थोड़े start हुए. तो उन्हें ये समझ में आया कि कुछ अच्छा करके भी ब्रांड्स को ये ओवरऑल समझ में आया कि हम आर्टिस्ट को फ्रीडम देकर भी वी कैन स्टिल कीप द ब्रांड वैल्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग इंटैक्ट. तो हाउ आई कम अप विद इट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने ना बहुत ही बचपन से मैंने लोगों को ऐसे ना देखा बहुत है कि लोगों को क्या पसंद है या क्या नहीं पसंद है। तो मैं ना बहुत ही ऐसा मुझे बहुत मजा आता था लोगों से बात करने में कि ये क्या सोच रहा है या ये क्या सोचता है, कुछ भी रैंडम टॉपिक स्टार्ट करके कि यार ऐसा चल रहा है, क्या लगता है। तो उसमें क्या होता था कि लोगों की तरफ से जो रिस्पॉन्स आता था उससे मुझे समझ में आता था कि ओके दिस गाइज थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस थिंग लाइक दिस, ये ऐसे सोच रहा है। तो मैंने ना कहीं मुझे थोड़ा ये समझ में आने लगा कि अगर मैं कुछ ऐसा लिख रहा हूं तो वो 10 लोग कैसा सोच रहे हैं। तो आई थिंक दैट रियली हेल्प्स मी व्हेन आई राइट फॉर ब्रांड्स। और कई बार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कई लोग इतने अच्छे ब्रीफ के साथ आते हैं कि दे नो व्हाट दे वांट, सम ऑफ देम। तो जो मेरे इंडिविजुअल कोलैबोरेशंस हैं,
बेटर स्टार्ट प्रेजिंग सम। नौकरी भी एक चीज है, प्लीज
बहुत जरूरी है पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट होना थोड़ा सा। तो वो लोग मतलब मैं लकी रहा हूं इस केस में कि जो मुझे ब्रांड्स ने मेरे गानों के लिए अप्रोच किया है वो लोग बहुत क्लियर थे कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए। और मैंने इतना बहुत ही जिन लोगों के साथ मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ, जिन लोगों के साथ मेरी अपब्रिंगिंग हुई है, वहां से मुझे पता है कि लोग क्या सुनते हैं या क्या देखना पसंद करते हैं। तो शायद वो एक बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करता है मुझे जब भी मैं किसी ब्रांड के लिए लिखता हूँ, क्योंकि आपको नॉर्मल लोगों के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है वो पता होना भी जरूरी है। कुछ भी कितना भी फिलोसॉफिकल कितना भी क्रेजी लिख लोगे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, अगर किसी को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है तो वो तो कोई मतलब का नहीं है। आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ इट पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या हो रहा है। अरे सही है यार, ये सही है, ऐसा उनका रिएक्शन बहुत बेसिक होता है। अरे बढ़िया गाना था, वो ये नहीं बोलेगा कि अरे वो क्या था, वो क्या यूज किया, अरे वो सही था यार, तूने वो जो गाने का जो वो हुक लाइन थी वो मस्त थी, मैं गा रहा था, अभी भी गा रहा हूँ। इनका इतना बेसिक रिएक्शन होता है। उनका ये रिएक्शन नहीं होता है कि तूने गिटार में जो वो थर्ड कॉर्ड प्ले किया ना ब्रो, वो बहुत अमेजिंग था। या तो हमें वो सोच के कहीं ना कहीं ब्रांड्स के लिए वैसा बनाना पड़ता है कि
But the guy giving the rags to you about rags, he would have said that, and then उसके बाद second conversation नहीं हो पाएगा, but he would have said that much. One thing about
और
advertising,
उसके बाद पता है इवन इफ यू वोंट चेंज इट एंड कुछ बस आप वॉल्यूम का लेवल या थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे करके भेज दोगे और बोलोगे ये कर दिया मैंने, तो बोलेगा हाँ नाउ इट्स साउंडिंग गुड,
much better. Yeah. Silvery,
Yeah.
the fun. If you work on both sides, it's great. If you work on both the creative side as well as the performing side, it's great. Then you can see what's happening from both sides. It's fabulous, good fun. Yeah, it's like a tennis match.
yeah, it's fun, it's so much fun.
Yeah, you have to. I suppose experience is a very important thing. You have to just relax and enjoy it. You know कि ये वापस हो जाएगा, एक बार और हो जाएगा, repeat हो जाएगा, and just the faces have changed, accents have changed, the same sort of problems. I tell you that word halka. The word halka haunts me. Yeah. The moment they begin the sentence with halka, I just put my head on like this, you know. I just okay, let's hear it. Chalo, Sarji, AMAs.
So another short break, guys. We'll be right back.
I really enjoy driving here, but I hate Mumbai traffic. Osho, you like driving?
Yeah, I like it,
But Mumbai ke traffic?
but same Mumbai traffic.
Same, na? Yeah. I mean, how can you say driving and traffic? It doesn't work here. But yes, yesterday I banged into a taxi. This is a true story, huh? Believe it or not. It was not my fault. The taxi was parked on the side and I banged into it. But let me explain to you why. Once I tell you why, Osho, you'll start playing on your guitar like a mad person. You'll go pagal completely. I'm telling you. You see, he was parked and I went and I smacked into him because I got distracted here. Pीछे लिखा था उस पे ना, how they have those slogans at the back of the cab. Kotak home loans now only at 6.5%. Only 6.5%. Also unbelievable. Thak. I banged into the taxi out of shock. I mean, of course, I'm going to crash into it if you're going to put something like that on your car. You would have done it, Osho. You would have got distracted by this 6.5% and immediately banged the car. How can I be blamed for it? I'm surprised people don't crash into this car every single day because of this one lovely, fantastic piece of news that's at the back of the cab. So, guys, कृपया ध्यान रखिए when reading such things. For God's sake, think. The taxi driver, of course, made a big scene about the accident. He gathered a crowd. He made me pay for the repairs, but I really don't mind because I'm going to be saving so much money when I buy my house because of 6.5% interest only on these Kotak home loans. So, sab barabar ho gaya. I'm very happy. Please, folks, visit www.kotak.com for more info or visit your nearest Kotak Mahindra branch today.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me.
Let's move back to AMA.
All right. AMAs. The first one comes in from Harvest Kasar. He says, "Hello all. Osho, have you?" Okay, he says for everyone actually. Have you all ever been a part of the Malhar festival in your college days,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
how was your experience?
Sir, Harvesh ji, I am Osho's father's age. Firstly, I don't think we should put all of us in one group. I don't even know कि Malhar चलता है या that's still on or not. It should be
Yeah,
on, right? Malhar.
it should be on. I think
It
I'm
is,
sure
it is.
this year it didn't happen. Like last year it didn't happen.
So
Probably.
music was very big. I think that's his point also. We had IMG festival. We had in Xavier's, I'm saying, back in the 90s. And it was very big. Malhar was very big. And from all over Mumbai and beyond, people would come. College would take it very seriously. But we were there for the same reason we do anything in St. Xavier's College art section. And that is to look at the girls. And that's not a good thing. Don't objectify people. Never do that, yeah.
Yeah, I've been to Malhar a couple of times. I've
Performing.
not played in Malhar.
How
Yeah.
come? College circuit पे करते
I played another festival जो इनका the media college used to organize.
हाँ.
I forgot the name, but I played that.
Xavier's. God, I forgot the name. Xavier's community XIC.
XIC, yeah. They used to
XIC का जो है ना, what is it? यार. If there's any XIC student listening, what is the festival cost? Please put in the chat as fast as possible. I am 50 and getting both Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, not to make fun of it. And Osho is from Indore. Oh, he's gone. No, he's come back. He's come back. God, very worried, yaar, Silvery. Huh.
Okay.
Chalo, next.
Yep. All right. Next one. Prithvi. This question is for Osho. He says, Osho, who played the saxophone in one of your short songs, also is Mushkil Hai based on some experience you actually had?
Saxophone मेरा एक दोस्त है जयेश मलानी. He is in my band as well. He's a wonderful saxophone player. He plays kartal, Rajasthani kartal, and guitars as well. He's a very talented guy. He's a filmmaker as well. तो उसने ही play किया था. Even in the song Mushkil Hai, there is this saxophone का part which is played by him only. तो मुश्किल है जब मैंने लिखा था, I was moving back to Indore because lockdown का first lockdown खत्म हुआ था. नहीं, I'm still there. So वो lockdown खत्म हुआ और मैं वापस इंदौर गया था. तो उसके lyrics कुछ ऐसे हैं कि मुश्किल है उस शहर वापस जाना मुश्किल है. Because 5 साल से मैं बॉम्बे में था और एक वो होता है ना कि वापस घर जा रहे हैं. एक वो थॉट आ जाता है कि ओके आप मुंबई में हो, आप यहाँ काम कर रहे हो और सडनली कुछ ऐसा हो गया लॉकडाउन.
As in backward step हो गया.
Yeah, it's something like that. But then लोग ऐसा बोल रहे थे कि नहीं सब ठीक है, सब लोग जा रहे हैं, चले जा, it's like you'll save a lot of money, सही रहेगा, सब सही रहेगा. So at that point of time I wrote मुश्किल है. उस शहर में एक छत 2 कमरों की दुनिया फिर बसाना मुश्किल है. नए लोगों के साथ पुरानी सी तस्वीर फिर से खिंचवाना मुश्किल है. तो इस तरीके का कुछ गाना था वो. तो ये मैंने उसी एक्सपीरियंस पे लिखा था कि मुझे आई हैड टू शिफ्ट बैक और कहीं ना कहीं वापस उन लोगों से मिलना, वापस से उन लोगों के साथ पुरानी सी तस्वीर खिंचवाना. जो वो लाइन है कि वापस उनके साथ वही सारी चीजें करना कितना मुश्किल है. एक बार आप वहां से निकल चुके हो और आप वापस जा रहे हो, तो उस पे मैंने मुश्किल है.
एक बात बताऊं, डोंट माइंड, बट आपकी एज है उसमें, बिकॉज व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट और मेरा जो मुश्किल है अलग है. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. मेरा लिरिक्स ऐसा होगा कि मैं उठ जाता है, फिर बाथरूम पे बैठ जाता है, मुश्किल है. इट्स सो डिफरेंट एज यू एज. आई कांट टेल यू यार. योर लाइफ, माय लाइफ.
You can create a reel out of it with that song. Doing the things that are mushkil for you.
One will be pleasing the advertiser, the client. One will be that. ये गाना गाने में इतना मुश्किल है, इतना. Cool.
All right. Next one comes in from Tarun Kaushik. He says, Osho and others, what's your favorite and most overrated street foods according to you? I've heard Indore is famous for its street food.
Is Tarun the one who keeps asking us the same question on food?
No,
About
I mean,
street food.
I think a lot of people are interested in our food choices.
Yeah, I love Indore ka khana. Street food, yeah. I love everything, yeah.
He's saying it's famous for street food.
Yeah. You have not been to Indore, Cyrus? You should.
2-3 बार.
तो
हम लोग सीधा 5-star होटल में इवेंट के बाद होटल से एयरपोर्ट से घर.
नहीं.
घूमने फिरने के लिए कोई नहीं जाते. पैसा नहीं रहता इनके लिए.
But next time जब आप आओगे तो just stay with me and I'll like we'll go to some really great place.
Sir, separate rooms यार. ये adjustment करना पड़ेगा फिर.
सर आपके लिए एकदम अच्छा सा.
मैं just say मुश्किल है.
नहीं, इंदौर का जो खाना है ओवररेटेड स्ट्रीट फूड यार, पोहा कह सकते हैं जो ओवररेटेड, मतलब ओवररेटेड तो मैं बोलूंगा नहीं पोहे को, बट आई थिंक इंदौर का जो पोहा है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग होता है, और बहुत पसंद है मुझे।
ये मुश्किल
इंदौर में ना पोहे जलेबी साथ में मिलती है, पोहे के साथ जलेबी होती है,
Oh.
मतलब पोहे जलेबी का कॉम्बिनेशन है, यूजुअली कुछ और होता है पोहे के साथ।
इंदौर की जो न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है ऑब्वियसली अलग सोच के आदमी है, बिकॉज यू नो आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट सीन बिफोर, जलेबी एंड पोहा पुट टुगेदर इन वन पैकेज।
हाँ, तो पोहा जलेबी होता है, और इवन पोहे में ना, मतलब मुझे जो नहीं पसंद है वो ये है कि वो अनार के दाने डाल देते हैं पोहे में। तो मैं स्पेशली वो पार्ट लेता हूँ जिसमें अनार के दाने ना हो। नहीं,
I think Tarun is regretting the question, but I'm sure. But ये obviously Indore का street food is obviously popular, and but what is the most popular Indore, like what is it known for? यार, मतलब not necessarily street food, घर का खाना भी. What is the, like, is there a dish that is known for?
इंदौर का पोहा मेजरली जो बोलते हैं ना, इंदौर का पोहा जलेबी इज द मोस्ट फेमस थिंग,
Oh,
बट
is
उसके
it?
अलावा वी हैव मार्केट्स, वी हैव ऐसे एक जगह है जिसका नाम है सराफा, तो वो ज्वेलरी मार्केट है दिन के वक्त, और जब शाम में सारी दुकानें बंद होती है आफ्टर 7-8 PM, 9 बजे के बाद से इट्स अ फूड मार्केट, उन्हीं दुकानों के बाहर स्टॉल्स लगते हैं, और वो रात में 3-4 बजे तक चलता है, तो वहां पर सब कुछ आपको मिलेगा, वहां पे साबूदाना खिचड़ी, पाव भाजी, there is this thing called garadu, which is very famous, there is this thing called भुट्टे का कीस, so that is very famous। बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी जो कोई एक चीज से नहीं बोल सकते हैं यार, इंदौर का खाना एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है, अगर आप मतलब वेजिटेरियन खाना तो ब्रिलियंट है, ब्रिलियंट।
We should point out quickly that our good friend Kunal Vijayakar has just visited Indore. I don't know if he's released the episode, 2-3 एक हफ्ता पहला, and has shot 2-3 episodes around. I think street food obviously will be there, and बाकी का घर का खाना is there also, and some restaurants also there. You can check out खाने में क्या है. Silvery, it's
Yeah.
an Indore special. I think he's released it, or he'll be releasing it just now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'm
We'll do
on it.
cross promotions, yeah. You have to
Yeah,
help
why
the
not?
brothers.
Of course,
ठीक है.
of course. Why not?
And Osho is not the brand ambassador of Indore. करना पड़ेगा. भी 4 बार बोला Indore, 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 कुछ हुआ नहीं. Now we can challenge the system. The algorithm is wrong.
Yes. इंदौर के बारे में आपने गलत बोला, कैसे
गलत बोला सर. You have insulted my guest.
कैसे मेरा
No,
वो
the bloody
hurt हो गया
Punjabis
है
from
अंदर।
Powai are the most dangerous people. I'm telling you.
Well,
Next.
all right. Shreya says for Osho, I feel the lyrics तेरी आंखों में भी मुझसा तूफान कैसे है, मुझको पाकर तू भी इतना हैरान कैसे है, sorry for the bad reading, are some of the best lyrics ever written, period. Thank you, you're a blessing. That's just wow.
That's a hardcore fan, Shreya.
Yeah.
Some of the best lyrics I've ever written, ever heard, huh? Sarji.
So it's a song called तू ऐसा कैसे है। I'll sing these lines for her.
Please.
So, तेरी आँखों में भी मुझसा तूफान कैसे है, मुझको पाकर तू भी इतना हैरान कैसे है, तू हवा जैसे घुल जाता है मुझ में, मुझे अपना घर मिल जाता है तुझ में, कैसे तू ऐसा कैसे है, कैसे कैसे तू ऐसा कैसे है, कैसे। Thank you.
Wow, but I was just thinking कि it could also means the negative. तू ऐसा कैसे है? Can also
Yeah. मेरे सारे गानों से आप मीम बना सकते हो, कैसे है तू ऐसा।
That's all.
You can create meme out of all of my songs.
Fair enough. But what a hardcore fan you got. और उसमें heart भी था. There was a heart emoji. Yeah, oh, now look at what she sent more.
Yeah,
क्या
crying.
बात है भाई.
Oh,
This is the first
That's
time
sweet.
that a
Very sweet.
male guest has come on the show and a young female has sent heart and crying with emotion. This is the biggest praise you can get, sir. And it's only on Cyrus says, thank you very much for coming on our show. Silvery, have you ever received a heart from a girl?
I mean, they just take my heart and run away, and they don't give me theirs back. It's just sad.
Somehow it's not as pleasing your lyrics as Osho's. I got to tell you to work on it, yaar.
Yeah.
Feeling है, हल्का सा feeling है.
Yeah. Correct.
You can send them my
मुश्किल
song.
है.
मुश्किल है.
मुश्किल है।
Okay. I hope Shreya enjoyed that. We'll try one more.
Yep, sure. This one is for Cyrus. Rahul Chaudhary, very interesting question. He says, Cyrus, can you write a book on aging? It should be a comedy. It would be a bestseller, I'm sure, for sure.
But the point is, I better write it fast because aging is very quick here. You won't be able to finish in time. You have to be very careful. Yeah. That Rahul, I've written a book on average Indian men, which of course nobody read, which I thought was a tribute to Indian men. I tried to write all the things that I grew up with, which irritated me about us men, and across different cultures of India and all that. It was great fun. But I think aging, yes, I can go on and on about aging. Every day, 26, na, Osho? Umar?
Yeah.
26, and Sylvia about 28. I mean, you can't even
29.
relate. Yeah. 29, it's so unfair. Yeah. I mean, you don't get up and straighten your leg. You get up and straighten your leg. Just it starts from there. You get up and actually you straighten your leg, then you straighten the leg and you get up. And then when you start using hands to get up from the bed and all, now 5-10 years back, you just jump out of a bed and all. Now when you start getting up, it's slow. I mean, how it changes. It's painful. More than comic, I think we should just video old people getting out of bed. I'll talk about, it'll be a super success. Just put it together. Similarly, will it be creepy if you go to your old relatives and hide in a cupboard with a camera and then when they wake up, you shoot them? Then, with the camera.
Yeah, I mean, no, not creepy at all. No, I'm sure they'll be happy to.
But mushkil hai.
Yeah.
Mushkil. You
That
gotta
I
say.
was- correct. Okay, last
done.
question. Last question has come in for Osho.
So I have a song called Kya Pata as well. So you can use that.
Kya
as
pata?
well. Kya
Okay,
Pata.
thank you.
Kya
Now
Pata.
everything.
But Shreya sent, I think you guys missed the chat window where Shreya sent some hearts and said something, you guys are sweethearts. और 2 heart मिल गया मेरे को. Oh, but 2 divided by 2.
2 heart.
We are all on one, boys. We are all on one.
Correct.
So in spite of the fact that Osho is the star, it's 1 heart each. The batting average is the same at the moment.
Yeah.
Not bad. Chalo, last fast.
But I got
Okay.
my crying emoji as
Oh,
well.
you got crying. You got
Right.
proper lines saying you are the best lyrics music I've listened to and all that. Boss, that's huge praise. हम लोग को कुछ नहीं मिला है sir. He's just saying you are sweethearts. That's how auntie, the chachi talks to you. Hey sweetheart, hey bachcha, it's not. Let's not jump out of the window with joy, yaar, Silvery.
Yeah.
You're still to get your real first heart from a girl.
So
If there's any guy out there who wants to send a heart and just give a name like Deepika or something, it'll be very nice of you. Shwetank, yes.
Oh, Shwetank is here.
Pehchan?
Shwetank.
Shwetank.
No, Osho is saying like he knows him.
Yeah, I know him.
We have a
Yeah,
couple
he
of
knows
quick
him.
questions. A couple of quick questions. One is from Z7. He says, "Hey everyone, Osho, can you please share who all your favorite young Indian artists are?" And Divya Patni has a question
26.
which you can answer together. She says, Divya Patni asks, Osho, when are you coming up with your live gigs again?
Okay, new Indian artists, many of them, yeah. But I am not like listening to a lot of new music. So I listen to Jagjit Singh Saab, Hemant Kumar Saab, Nusrat Saab. That is all I listen to. So
वो भी new artist है अगर पहले बार सुना तो. So you have to understand. It's all about perspective.
हाँ, सही बात
No,
है.
and one sec, Osho, you're 26. ये पागल world है क्या? कि 26-year-old has to tell me about youngsters. I mean, what is wrong? Like, please, I'm feeling more complex about my life here. 26 साल का लड़का है, and he's going to tell you about upcoming guy. यार, you should watch out for him. I mean, that's not right. It's unfair. It's very unfair.
Many great Indian singer-songwriters, like new singer-songwriters are doing great. But मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पीछे ही हूँ. मैं नया म्यूजिक सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मैं जगजीत सिंह साहब के वो एक दो एल्बम से ही बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. या मैं प्यासा, हेमंत कुमार साहब, I'm like very happy with those songs. I'm like constantly listening to them on.
We said that in the beginning. You belong to another era, old-fashioned, the music, the thought process, and so I guess that's the truth. And probably in your soul and all these influences are there. So it's very difficult to go to some new youngsters who come with their creepy music and irritate us.
No.
Sorry,
They're doing great.
Uncle, thoda
Even I'm a youngster, yeah, Cyrus. Please, come on.
We
not
discussed it. Look at the show, yaar. हाँ, कि face 26 का है, but दिल और soul 59 का है. I was going to say 69, then I thought कि ये गलत सोच है. Boys, come on, yaar.
दिव्य पूछ रहा था कि मैं टूर कब स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. So I'm album, like post the album, I'm doing this tour, which will start in November.
But what about audiences allowed now full 50-50? Now what is the situation?
No.
50% was up.
Everything is on.
कहाँ पे? इंदौर में, मुंबई में?
हर जगह, I think everything is on.
Like, so you'll get because your concerts will have people close job, shouting, screaming. I'm presuming,
Yeah, so I played a gig in March as well in Delhi, but nobody followed anything. Yeah, people are not following anything. It's all like people are there and they are not wearing masks or anything, and they are just hugging you after the gig as well. Bro, such a great performance, and they're hugging you.
I'm not blaming anyone. I'm saying once you do it, how do you not do it? How do you do a show with adrenaline, energy, this, that, and all this not happen here? Bahut badhiya.
I mean, even I can't stop.
Of course you can't stop. You're on a.
Even I can't stop hugging them back. Yes,
Yeah, I'm saying we either do or we don't. ये मुश्किल है. ये बीच वाला road तो है नहीं, रास्ता ऐसा है नहीं. They're just telling you, can you do 50, 50, 50? What is 50? Waste of time, really. Silvery, start the comedy gigs now. Are you doing or not doing?
We are doing, but I mean, capacity is more or less fine now. Capacity is not a problem. Like,
Yeah.
So they let the
like
full crowd.
next to full capacity and all. Yeah,
दो चीज है. One is that you need the money, so you need the full gate. That's one.
exactly.
Second
Otherwise,
is the
there's no point.
atmosphere.
Yeah.
The atmosphere of a vibrant full crowd is for
Absolutely.
any performer, whether it's musician or comedian or whatever. You need that full
Absolutely.
crowd. The energy goes up.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
It's not fair.
Yeah.
Plus, for people, creepy uncles like me, I want to be where the people are touching and all. So, Virar local के experience अभी तो होता है नहीं ना. Oh, I have to show certificate before you go and sit. Yeah. Chalo, sorry, you were doing one more.
No,
you
that's
said.
it. We're done. That's it.
We're done.
Yeah.
Just show the album cover again. Osho is out. Osho
Yes.
is going to be performing from November. Osho is going to be everywhere. This is Osho Part 2. But in some ways, it's very close to Osho Part 1 because it's a very soulful, thoughtful shabd hai yahan pe. Melancholic, piercing, healing melodies. Which actually, after making fun and all that, it's not actually far away from the truth. So it's fine. We'll leave it. It's fine. What do you say, Osho?
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah.
Thank
No harm,
you.
yaar.
Thank
Somebody has to be
Please,
melancholic and
please,
soulful. हाँ.
But
अगर
please
वो-
go and check out the album.
But हल्का सा issue. I'm just joking with him. I just want to end it with a halka. Halka.
Halka.
Little, small, beta. Imagine what they do to A.R. Rahman.
अब
and
थोड़ा
all.
सा इस channel पे
हाँ. Yeah.
ऐसा कर लेते हैं.
चलो.
But Cyrus, please check out the album, and let me know how you find it. It's a 30-minute. I think you'll like it.
100%, and we will monetize it also. People who listen to Osho's album send Cyrus Says podcast 500 rupees for every download that you do. Please, thank you. फिर वो adjust करते हैं हम लोग हल्का सा मेरे side से.
Done.
Sorry, it's still in my head. Osho, wonderful talking to you, boss. Great talent. So nice of you to come on. Wish you all the best and hope to see you soon. And the album will rock. Trust me, it will rock
Thank
out of
you.
the crowd.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you for doing this.
Okay.
See you soon.
Our pleasure, sir.
Bye.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter on Cyrus Says In. Or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Hey everybody, it's been a great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by music composer and YouTuber Yashraj Mukhate. They talk about his journey, viral music, and a whole lot more. On Advertising is Dead, Varun speaks to Ankit Vyas from Oxfam India about how the increased privatization of education over the years has led to severe inequality. On The Wire Talk, Siddharth is joined by Professor Gil Verniers. They discuss his years of research on politics in UP, especially in the run-up to the elections. On Tere Mere Raaste with Keshav, hear all about the Haveli in which great Urdu poet Ghalib lived. On the Talarate Kannada podcast, Pawan is joined by Pratilipi Kannada's Akshay Balagere to talk about how Indian language writing and reading is changing in the digital era. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Slay Coffee, Intel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Oxfam India. Thank you so much for making this possible.
Have you ever wondered where the business world is headed? How the ways in which we create, market, and sell to consumers will evolve? Or if we'll ever go back to wearing pants while working? For answers to all of this and more, tune into Advertising is Dead with me, Varun Dugirala. Every Tuesday, as I talk to entrepreneurs, leaders, and change makers from across business, media, marketing, and beyond. You can catch all episodes of Advertising is Dead on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcasts from.